Good morning, everyone. Now you must be thinking, hey, Pankaj, it is 7:05, I mean 7:05 p.m., and you're wishing us good morning. What is the reason, Pankaj, of wishing good morning? Okay, before I tell you the reason, I just wanted to take your consent over one thing. See, today is at day one. A lot of people face a lot of technical issues while logging in. So, do you allow me to wait for the next 1 minute or 2 minutes for the others? If you allow me to wait for others to wait like for 1 or 2 minutes, type W in the chat box. Type W in the chat box. Let me see how many of you people see. We are the great community of a human. See, we come with humility, humanity, and that's how we should help people when people are facing problem of not connecting with the audio. Some people would type not audible, and but I am audible to you. Some people won't be able to hear me, so we need to go and help. That's great. That's great. That's a true spirit of humanity. That's you have proven that you come with a great true spirit. Superb, superb, superb. See, I'm really excited to see you. Really excited. I was really super excited to see you. Before I start, before I tell you why did I wish you good morning and all, let me tell you one simple thing. Thank you in advance for beating my wrong English, improper grammar and pronunciation. Now you must be thinking, hey Pankaj, do you make mistakes in English? Yes, I do. English is a second language. You know why I'm telling you this? Because I know a lot of people lose their confidence in the public speaking because they don't know good English. So let me tell you here, very clear, language is not the barrier. आपको English नहीं आती, you can speak your own language. You can speak Kannada, Marathi, Odia, or you can speak Tamil, Telugu, whatever the language you are comfortable in. You can start your speaking journey from that particular language. And let me tell you, if you want to join professional speaking, then one very simple thing is that start with your own language. My friend Harish, he comes from Chennai. Yes, he comes from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. He did one Josh talk in English language, and in 6 months he could reach around 10,000 views. But then he did the another Josh talk in his own regional language, I think in Tamil language, which got 70 to 80,000 views in less than 10 days, which clearly shows people feel more comfortable when we speak local language. So language is not the barrier. Moreover, English is a second language. We are allowed to make 10 to 20% of the grammatical mistakes. You know, you'll be surprised to know Indians are the best English speaker. Yes, best English speaker. Yet, when you are speaking in English in India, what happens basically? Somebody will come and say, hey, your this pronunciation was wrong. Hey, your this sentence formation was wrong. Travel out of India. Even go to England. You will be surprised. There, people make a lot of mistakes while speaking. We speak better than them. Moreover, people cannot comment over your pronunciation much. There is the reason. Like there is a word schedule. Some people call it schedule, some people call it schedule. Right. My dear, there is another pronunciation with a very correct pronunciation, that is schedule. Schedule. Now, let's say I say schedule, you say, hey, this is wrong. This is not wrong. You don't know there is a pronunciation schedule, you know only schedule. Or let's say I say schedule, then you say, oh, I never heard about it. You never heard, that does not mean that it is wrong. So, my dear friends, never lose confidence if you are troubling to speak some particular language. स्टार्ट विद योर ओन लैंग्वेज. अपनी खुद की भाषा में शुरू करो बोलना. यूट्यूब वीडियोस बनाना शुरू करो. कॉन्फिडेंस विल स्टार्ट इंक्रीजिंग, स्टार्ट इंप्रूविंग. एंड वंस you think कि ठीक है, Hindi is very good mine now, or Hindi or Marathi, now I want to go global, I want to speak out of India. Keep improving your English side by side, and then you see the magic happens, right? How many of you now agree with me that we lose our confidence, that we cannot speak in front of people just because of English? If you agree with me, type A. A stands for agreement. Type A. So language is not the barrier, because message is more important than language. If you are able to convey your message, That's more than sufficient. You should focus on the message first. First thing you need to keep in mind, you should focus on the message. Now you must be thinking, Pankaj, at least you should come and tell me what is the reason behind good morning. Why did you wish good morning? That also in the evening at 7 o'clock. May I tell you that reason? Why good morning? There is a deep reason. Actually, there was an incident happened with me. So you want to know the incident? After that incident, I started using good morning. You want to know only the reason or both? If you want to know incident, type I. If reason, type R. And if both, then in that case, you need to type B. Let me see at least what do you want to know? Both. So thank you so much for giving your consent so that I can tell you both. But I will be telling you one more thing along with that. See, you need to understand in every speech, speech might be for 5 minutes or speech might be for 1 hour. First 7 seconds are very important. First seven, you can take a notebook pen ready. Like first keep your notebook pen with you so that I can go on. Keep your notebook pen with you so that I can go on. The rule, first 7 seconds is very, very important. And then comes next 23 seconds. 7 seconds to take attention, 23 seconds to make people curious, and 60 seconds to build rapport. So it becomes a rule of 1.5 minutes. See, in any speech might be for 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 10 hours. What is most important in the speech is 7, 23, and 60 seconds. Mean first 90 seconds are very, very important, my dear friends. Very, very important. Right? So what happened? It was my first ever talk in Philippines. It was my first global talk, basically. It was first international assignment. I was super excited. Yes, today we'll be making something big. I was super excited. It was a 2-day convention. I was a closing keynote speaker. So closing keynote speaker being last speaker of that convention, and closing keynote speakers are very important. I went to convention, I started attending, I saw there are 180 to 200 participants and people have come from all different countries. I was super excited. We were 4 speakers, brown speakers, 3 Indians and 1 from Bangladesh. So definitely we feel comfortable and we feel excited to see somebody from our country to that place, right? So I was super excited. I started talking to them. So here comes the conventions starts. The first speaker was invited by MC of the day. Please welcome Mr. Kamlin, coming all the way from America. As soon as his name was announced, each and every participant left the chair, started giving a big applause. I said, that's great, yaar. This is welcoming ovation. So second speaker was invited. He was also welcomed in the same way. Third speaker was invited, welcomed in the same way. Now, I thought that's great. I think this is a ritual here. Everybody leaves a chair and welcome. Then fourth speaker was invited, again welcomed. Fifth speaker was invited, and no one left the chair. And you know, the fifth speaker was an Indian speaker. And I started thinking, why no one left the chair? I thought topic is not good. That might be the reason the people are not really excited. Okay, then went on. Here comes the midday of the first day after the sixth speaker, and then the seventh speaker after lunch was invited, welcoming ovation. 8, 9, 10th, everyone got the welcoming ovation. Then again comes a brown speaker from India. No clapping, no one left the chair. Now I started thinking, what is this? And started waiting for a second day. Second day starts, the first speaker was from Canada, got a welcoming ovation. Third and second speaker was from New Zealand, got welcoming ovation. Third speaker was an Indian, did not get that ovation. Now I was afraid and scared. I thought, hey Pankaj, like you are the last speaker. They're not interested in listening to any brown speaker. Will you be able to take their attention? Will you be able to grab their attention? Will they listen to you? And one more thing I realized, racism is all over the world. I thought this is only in India where, you know, we respect white people more. When we see them somewhere, we go to get the photograph clicked. But this is everywhere in the world. And I was getting scared for my turn now. Will people leave their chair? Will they listen to me? So here comes my turn. So my name was announced. MC introduced me properly because he was my friend, and he said, I know Each one of you wants to become a high paid speaker. Yes? People raise the hand. And you want to turn your speaking into a coaching business, want to make millions. Yes? Everyone raised hand. So please welcome Pankaj, who is well versed in, and he'll be telling you how you can get a high speaking gigs. Please welcome Pankaj, all the way coming from the India. I thought everyone would leave chair, and I was only the person who left chair. I looked back, nobody was clapping. But now this 7 second formula was there in my mind. I went on the stage and wished everyone, good morning, everyone. And they looked at me and wished, good morning. Some people wished me good evening. Some wished me good morning. And some just passed a smile. 7 seconds, I was able to take their attention. Now, next 23 seconds to make them curious. I asked them a question. Do you want to know why did I wish good morning? No, if you are thinking it is a wake-up call or we are meeting first time in a day, so you are wrong, my dear friends. My reason is completely different. How many of you want to know the reason? Now many hands raised. I made them curious. So 7 second and 23 second formula was done and implemented. I was able to grab the attention. People were responding. And now comes the 60 second. Then I went them to tell the reason, which I'm telling you. My dear friends, always remember words triggers our brain. When I was a student of Tony Robbins, Tony told me, Pankaj, our brain is programmed by the words. That's what NLP is, neuro linguistic programming. A brain is programmed by the words, and words triggers our emotions. When I wish you on Sunday evening 6:30, good evening, it gives you a message. The day has gone, hope has gone. Let's go home. Let's do binge watching. Let's have a rest on the comfortable couch with the kids. That's a message. But when I wish you good morning, it triggers you the emotion of morning. It tells you it's a new day, new hope, new energy. Let's achieve something. So, my dear friends, if last 27 speakers have given that energy, that have given you the knowledge, have made you completely enthusiastic, so why don't you all come together and wish me good morning? And now I got standing ovation. So, my dear friends, here comes the rule. 7:23 and 60 second rule. 7:23 and 60 second rule. Second, use always positive words, because positive words triggers the positive emotions. That's why I used good morning, because it triggers positive emotion. Because words program our brain. In the game of conversation, words play their own role, and they're very, very essential. Use positive words, right? How many of you understand the rule of 7:23 and 60? If you understand the rule of 7:23 and 60, type U. Let me see if you understand the rule. Oh, you, chat is off for you. You. Okay, great. That's great. That's superb. That's superb. See, I will keep asking you the questions and I'll keep taking your consent if you understand, because if I need to repeat something, I'll be doing it. So your coach, Pankaj Asiza, leadership minds and strategist, peak performance expert, professional speaker, member of APSS. APSS stands for Asia Professional Speaker Singapore, member of PSAI, Professional Speaker Association of India, founder of PSL Institute and professional speaker coach. Let's deep dive into great learning today. Sit straight, keep your notebook pen ready, because you are going to write lot of things, mean lot of things, right? Look at this young child, how he's diving into water. We need to dive into learning now. So before I start, let me tell you our course guidelines, what we are going to do and what we should not do. Actively participate, learn and practice. Always actively participate. Whatever I'll give you, you need to practice next day. I'll give you an assignment also. Do not miss any Zoom live session, because live is a real fun. Use WhatsApp group only for the course purpose. No personal message to me, as I remain active in the group. If you send any message to me, then you know that message, I operate through a software. I can only operate your groups. So message might not be responded. You might not get any response. So my dear friends, kindly send message in the group only. Today group will open at 8:30 and will close at 10 o'clock. Whatever the assignment I'll give you, you need to complete that assignment and send the assignment in the group. You must be assignment. Oh, public speaking is a practical skill. So we rarely need assignment. Do not disturb a participant with your own agenda. No spamming, no forward message. No. Let's learn together and grow together. Our focus today would be on my quick story and my journey of 2 minutes. I'll be telling you how I started this program. Speak to lead, workshop overview, guidelines. I've already given you. Lesson 1, minimize to maximum. I'll be giving it last. Discussion and interaction, and thank you. And I'll tell you this also, how public speaking impacts somebody's life? This is very essential to know. See, some people learn public speaking only to speak in boardroom. Some people learn public speaking because they cannot speak in front of people. They feel hesitant. But I want you to use these skills. Don't only improve and polish the skills. Use these skills, and these skills can help you to turn your signature into an autograph. These skills can make your name a brand. And I want you to build a brand. I want you to use these skills to grow your business. I want you to use these skills to get a growth in your job. And definitely, let's polish these skills. That's what a motive is. So, workshop overview, Monday to Friday, 45-minute video live learning. And you are expected to practice whatever you learned today. Friday, we'll have a 2-hour mega session, and we'll have a question answer session on the Friday. Friday, block your 2 hours today, only 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. On Friday, I'll be introducing our advanced program also, that's name is Speak to Influence. That's our advanced public speaking program. I started my corporate journey with the Genpact. That time I was in 12th standard. I joined Genpact as a call receiver, but resigned as a call center trainer. My second corporate job was Kingfisher Airlines. I was in my first year of my graduation the time I joined Kingfisher Airlines as a cabin crew, and I was promoted right on my 10th day as assistant to senior manager. And I resigned on the 67th day, my shortest period promotion, and the resign. I had to come back to my hometown, to my home city, and settle down there. So I was really confused. What do I do now? Because there is no airport. Then I thought, why did I get promotion in Genpact? Because of my communication. Why did I get promotion in Kingfisher? Because of my communication. So I started Institute for the Communication in year 2005. Now we have successfully completed 15 years, and we are in the 16th years now. That's great. And how I started public speaking. See, for the 3 years I had been teaching communication in my institute. But one day I got an opportunity to speak in front of 400 participants, 400 students of one college. That college invited me to speak. And you know what happened? I went to the college. I was excited. First time I was facing this many people, and I was super excited to speak. And I thought, like, this is very easy. I'm speaking already in my classroom. But my dear friends, as soon as my name was taken, my name was announced, as soon as that person who's standing at the podium invited me, hey, Pankaj, please come here and guide our student for the interviews and the communication, I forgot everything. Completely frozen. My cheeks got red, and I could sense heat on my cheeks. My heart started pounding. And I don't know what has happened. There was a butterfly in my belly. I don't know. My speed suddenly increased. And I finished my, I think, 40-minute talk in less than 10 minutes. I failed. And this is okay. Many of you might have failed. On that day, I thought like my career has flopped. As a communications teacher, I cannot speak in front of people. On that day, I realized one thing: communication and public speaking, two are the different things. See, every public speaker, a good public speaker is a good communicator, but every good communicator cannot become a good public speaker. So public speaking is an art which we need to learn. And I'm sure many can resonate with it. Many of you might have failed in front of people. Many of you might have undergone this situation. How many of you have undergone this situation? If you are the one who has faced the same the way I have faced, type M. Let me see how many of you have faced. Many, because this is natural. Yes, very first time when you do it, you feel like something has lost. Then I came to know, in the top 10 phobia, public speaking fear is the number one fear. Some people fear public speaking more than death, my dear friends. Yes. I started searching, is it a learnable skill? I got to know, yes, it is a learnable skill. I handed over myself to a guru, Dr. Gary. And Dr. Gary crafted me into a great speaker. And then followed by Jack and Phil, told me how to use this in my career. And once I started using, my life completely changed. See, public speaking, when people see you speaking, no, they start trusting you. They believe you. So it was a first ever talk I delivered in front of 1,500 people, and it was superb. And then a lot of corporates invited me, schools, colleges invited me. I did 80 plus talks with Dainik Bhaskar newspaper all over the India. We have done around in 78 different cities and 80 plus talks. Man, this completely transformed my life. People started having faith in me. Many other coaches started working with me. And life completely changed. My name turned into a brand and signature into an autograph. Public speaking makes you brand. And I want you not to learn only public speaking. I want you to use it to become a brand. See, tomorrow is day 2. I'll be telling you how you can use public speaking to grow your business. And once you become a brand, no, and if you're in job, employers hire brand and they promote brand. And I want you to become a brand. I want your name to be taken. I want you to earn name and fame. Money is just a bonus. You know, corporate invites brands. When you become a professional speaker, you start speaking and start charging money. You have to be a brand so that corporate invites you. Customer take services from a brand. Customer buys a brand, right? So public speaking is a one skill which can help you in multiple aspects of the life. It gives you confidence. You can start your YouTubing. You can become a YouTuber, video influencer, professional speaker, and confident presentation giver just in a boardroom. And definitely you can scale up in your life. So what is your reason of joining the workshop? You want to learn this for the YouTube, and YouTube can give you a income, it can give you recognition, it can make you a brand. Same, you can start making short videos for the social media and become a brand. Professional speaking, you can become motivational speaker, life coach, or some next level speaker and charge good money. And then confident presentation giver. What is your motive to join this workshop? YouTube video professional, or you want to learn it for boardroom? There are 4 things given. You need to type 1 2 3 4. What is your reason? What is your motive? Why basically want you why do you want to become a confident speaker? Fourth one. Third one. Mhm. Okay, many have opted for confident presentation giver. If this makes you a brand, if it makes you brand, if it gives you your, it turns your signature into an autograph, or if it gives you more income, would you like to take it? If yes, type why. Would you like to learn? If along with the confident presentation giver, I tell you that using these skills you can become a brand, your signature becomes autograph, and you can get another vertical of income without doing anything. So would you like to learn it? If yes, type L. Yes. So that's, then this workshop is for you, my dear friends. See, once you improve it, you can use it for anything, and I want you to use it. I want you to use it. I want whatever you learn, implement into the action. Action takers are the winners. Use social media to show your public speaking skills, because I know when people see you speaking, they start trusting you more, and that's what I want. So make short videos about your product, about your technical skills, or add value in people's life in the video, and share those videos on the social media. This you have to give commitment to yourself, that I will start doing in this 5 days, that I will start making videos for the social media during these 5 days only. You do it today or tomorrow, but I would say start doing it from day 3. Attend first, second, and third day, then make video for the social media, for for your growth. You need to give commitment to yourself, and I know you do it. But do you need to make long videos? No, no, no. Don't make long videos. Your video should not be more than 3 minutes. See, there was a time when people were watching 30 40 minutes video, but today TikTok knew people are more interested in short videos. So 1 minute video is very, very good. But as a beginner, you might need to make the video of 1 minute 30 second, or 2 minute, or 3 minute maximum. Shorter the videos are, people are more interested in, but you need to add more value in the videos, more value in the videos. Before you prepare any speech or any video or any script, you need to know one more thing. See, more than the script, something else matters. For that, you need to understand the rule of communication. Dr. Alberts has divided communication into 3 different parts: non-verbal, tone of voice, and content. Non-verbal mean your gesture, posture, expressions, body language. This is called non-verbal. You know, this is 55%. Oh my God. More important than content? Yes. And tone of voice mean your high notes, low notes, and you're speaking low or high or fast and slow. It is 38% important. My gosh. And total it becomes as 93. It means content is just 7%. This is very, very important. No, 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 no. I'm not saying content is not important. I'm saying content is important, very important. But your best content delivered without a good tone and without a good expression will not make any big difference. When it comes to delivery, then expressions and the tone of voice are more important than the content in the delivery. This is, I can call it a in delivery of speech, this implements properly. So many people I've seen, they're working a lot more on the content. Your average content delivered in the best way can influence people, and your best content delivered without expression and without right tone cannot create any influence. Understand? I believe you understand. This is very, very important. You can take a screenshot of that and keep writing. Keep writing. No, you need to design the content. I'll be teaching you how you need to design. On day 5, I teach structure of content, right? So let's go further. Now, so if you have got all the basics, this is very important for you. When you become a professional speaker, how much money do you think a professional speaker can charge? What is your idea? Like, how much money can a professional speaker charge? 5,000, 10,000, how much money? Type for 45-minute talk, particular for 1 hour, you can say 45-minute talk to 1 hour. 5,000, 30,000, okay, good. Lakhs, no idea. Any idea, Get an idea, Sarji. No idea. 10,000, 30,000, 2 lakh. Okay. Now let me tell you, and it would be really, really surprising for you, my dear friends. Just focus. Tony Blair charges 50 lakh rupees for 1 hour talk. Basically, it is 45-minute talk. Jack and Phil charges 45 lakh rupees for 1 hour talk. 45 lakh to 50 lakh. And Tony Robbins, he's only the speaker who got his private jet. The first private jet was owned by Tony Robbins. He charges 1 crore rupee for 45-minute talk. Now, coaching is different. In coaching, they might charge you 1 lakh rupees. Like Les Brown, again 1 crore. Robert Kiyosaki, 80 lakh rupees to 1 crore. Now you must be thinking, hey, these are not Indian speakers. Pankaj, let's talk about Indian speakers. So Shiv Khera, in India, he start charging 8 lakh rupees per 45 minute and goes up to 15 lakh rupees. But if he speaks out of India, as he has his own office in Singapore, if he is speaking in any other country, then he starts charging more than 25 lakh rupees per talk. Same with Deepak Chopra, 6 lakh rupees to 8 lakh rupees. Ujjwal Patni, 5 lakhs to 8 lakh. Priya Kumar, 3 lakh rupees to 5 lakh. And Vivek Bindra, 5 lakh rupees to 8 lakh. Understand? Like, there are many. Simarjit charges rupees 80,000, 2 goes up to 5 lakh rupees. Why do they charge? Because they follow one rule, which I'm going to explain you. Speak minimum, explain maximum. Now you must be thinking, hey, Pankaj, what is this rule about? Let me explain this rule with this small story. See, this is the photograph of my last event. I spoke on the stage on 8th March 2020. Yes, on the Women International Day of 2020, just before the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown. I spoke in Shri Ram Universal School. It's a chain of school run by Shri Ram College of Commerce. It's the #1 college of commerce in India. I am receiving a phone call one day from their head office. They're asking me, Pankaj, can you speak on parenting? I said, yes, I can speak on leadership in parenting. I send them the content. Okay, what all I can speak. They said, are you available on 8th? I said, yes. So we are conveying your message to a chairman of the school, of that particular franchisee owner. He'll be giving you a phone call. I said, okay. So Mr. Sharma gives me a phone call and says, hey, Pankaj, so 8th March, we are having our program and we want you to speak in this annual function for 60 minutes to 90 minutes on leadership in parenting. I said, sir, let me correct you. It is annual function, so 60 to 90 minutes is not good time. It should be half an hour because most parents come to see their kids' performance. They don't come to listen to me. Yes, but we think 60 minutes should be minimum. How much will you charge? It says, charges we talk in written in the email. So he sent me a mail. I sent the mail back and said, I'll be charging rupees. See, from the schools, colleges, I charge my 40 to 50% of the charges. If my real charges is 1 lakh, I charge 50,000 rupees. So I said 35,000 rupees I wrote in the mail. So he gave me a mail next day. He gave me a call next day and said, Pankaj, my principal is convinced by you, and she's saying we are ready with 30-minute talk, because she's really convinced like people will not listen to a speaker because they come with all different expectation. I said, yes, sir. I said, so how much will you charge for 30-minute? I said, sir, mail. So in mail, I quoted now. How much do you think I quoted? Think in the mind, like how much I might have quoted. For if I quoted 35,000 for 60-minute, how much should I have quoted for 30-minute? You can write in the chat box. Let me see. Some people are decreasing, some people are increasing. Same. This time I quoted rupees 55,000. And right after 10 minutes, I received a phone call and said, hey, Pankaj, can we do this in 15 minutes also? I said, yes, I can do. With the same content. I said, yes, sir. I told you 4 to 5 stories and 5 lessons. Dead sure, same content. He said, okay, how much will you charge? I said, mail, sir. In mail, I wrote 85,000 now for the 15-minute talk. I am receiving a phone call right after sending the mail, and I understood why. He was smiling as he said, Pankaj, I have a question. I said, yes, sir. Pankaj, we are decreasing the time and you're increasing the price. Why? You have to spend less time on the stage. If you are spending less time, you should charge less. I said, sir, no speaker charges money for the time he's spending on the stage. Speaker charges money for the time he's investing in preparing that. Let me explain you, sir. So when it is 60 minutes, I don't have to do anything. No preparation. I'll come on the stage, I have a lot of stories, and come, share, and go back. So I have my investment is only 60 minutes. But when it comes to 30 minutes, I have to invest my half day in restructuring and structuring my content so that I can deliver more value in less time. And when it is 15 minutes, it means I might have to invest my complete day in structuring and restructuring. And he said, Pankaj, what about 10 minutes? How much will you charge? Then same time I spoke, sir, 95,000. So the deal was done for the 95,000, basically for the 10 minutes, not 95,000, 89,000 something I got after TDS. And my turn came on that day. I spoke on the stage for the 9 minute 52 seconds, got the round of applause and standing ovation by the parents. Now, the same I want to tell you what you need to do if you want to become a big influencer. You need to share more values in less time. More values in less time. So, very simple trick for that is minimize your 30-minute speech in 3 minutes. And I'll be teaching you now. How many of you want to learn this technique to minimize 30-minute speech into 3 minutes? If you want to learn this technique, type L in the chat box. L stands for learn. How to basically minimize your 30-minute speech in 3 minutes. And this is the secret. These old speakers, they charge high money because they add 45 days value in 45 minutes. That's why they can charge up to 1 crore. See, you have to speak so much valuable in the short period of the time. You need to add more value. Okay, you want to learn. What if I say you already know this? Don't you know, in our school, we have done precise writing in our childhood. The teacher used to give a big paragraph and then would tell us that write in the short words, summarize it in the less words. How many of you have done it? Like big paragraph, we were supposed to summarize in the less words. If you have done it, type D. If you have done it, type D. Precise writing, a big paragraph to be summarized in less words. In the childhood, we have done in Hindi or English. In the 6th or 7th class, I think we did it. Many of you have done it. So you know that. Now let me share how to do that. This is very, very simple. Focus on main lesson. How to do it? Focus on main lesson. And when you focus on main lesson, it is very easy for you to share a lesson. And share it with stories. When you share with story, choose one story to share 2 lessons. See, I started a story of good morning, but shared 2 lessons after that. One, 7-second, 23 and 60-second rule. And second, use positive words. So one story to explain 2 things. I saved my time, right? And I was completely focused. So in this way, you need to stay focused. See, today I started the session with, hey, good morning. And then I gave another lesson, language is not the barrier. Then I came to the good morning point back, shared a story, and explained 2 lessons out of that. And I went on speaking and told how public speaking can make you a brand, why this speakers charge high money, and expressions are more important than the content, right? So these were focused points, and I just deliver those focus points. You can do it. You can simply do it when you focus. Only speak the point which is essential to be spoken. Very simple thing. Only speak the point which is essential to be spoken. Remove all unwanted stories, unwanted content, unwanted words, unwanted meanings, everything, and focus on the main points. And then you see you can easily do it. Let me repeat it. Let me tell you in a other manner. I taught you today the rule of, see how we did it. 7 second, 23 second, 60-second rule. Language is not the barrier. Message is more important than the language. Make small videos for the social media. Non-verbal and body language expressions are more important. Add 45 days value in 45 minutes and speak minimum, explain maximum. That's what you learned today, right? If I summarize it, see, it is already very compact. I have already squeezed three hours of the matter in 45 minutes, and I've done it. Easy. How many of you have understood it, how to do it? If you have understood it, you again need to type you. See, I'll be taking your consent. Type you so that I can know that you have understood it. So very simple thing. Focus on main point, just on the main points, and leave the rest. Understood? That's great. That's super. That's super. That's super. So here comes your assignment. Assignment is summarize our today's sessions in 3 minutes of the video. What you need to do, look at these all points and summarize the complete session in 3 minutes. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. That's what you are learning. Whatever you are learning, I'll be giving you an assignment so that you can implement. I believe more than knowledge, action is required. A lot of people have knowledge, but knowledge will not work unless you take action. So you need to take action. You need to become an awesome action taker, because action takers are the winners. So what you need to do is take your mobile phone, make a video, and in 3 minutes explain and summarize entire session. And send the video in the group. Group is opening today at 8:30. Simple. I know you are feeling really excited with assignment, because you, I think, did not think we'll be getting assignment. You did not think, no? But yes, public speaking, the practical skills, and I want to watch your videos now. And tomorrow I'll be giving a group review. In Hindi, you can send video in Hindi, English, whatever the language you are comfortable in. You can send the video in Hindi, English, whatever the language you're comfortable in. And before we leave, you have got your assignment. You need to give me the high five. Turn on your videos. Now. Yes, super. Everyone, turn on the videos. And give me the digital high five with both hands, not with the one hand. On the count of 3, you will take your hand towards the camera and give me the high five. Somebody is asking me to explain 7, 23 and 60 second again. Kaushal, I'll be sending you a recording of the session. Watch it, because I took 10 minutes to explain it. And if in that case you don't understand, no worry, I'll be explaining it again. I hope recording will help you. 1, 2, 3. Love you all. See you tomorrow with a high energy. Superb. I'm looking forward to your videos in the group, and group will open today at 8:30. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.